Hello, hello, and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm somewhat overwhelmed. There is too much stuff here. Not that this is anything new, but there is too much stuff here. And I'm looking for my still camera bag that I think is in here. But how would I possibly find it? Oh, look. That's kind of overlit. There's a box from a Vic-20. Oh. There's a box from a Commodore 64. What's in here? Oh yeah, more stuff. Okay, these are ones that just recently arrived, but I have to dig into things here. Oh, here's a keyboard from a Super Pet that is dirty. Very, very dirty. Ugh. Oh no, things are settling and falling. Here's a whole bunch of discs. Ugh. Oh yeah, I was going to use some of this on Canada Day. Oh well. Ooh, maybe next year. All right. Here's some shirts that I couldn't find. Other stuff. Here, yes, of course. Here's a vintage Star Wars pillow case from way back when. Another shirt. Stuff I got from Dollarama for Canada Day. Didn't use it. Didn't use it. Oh, why am I afraid that every time I move something, something is going to fall? Data set. I think it's never been out of the box, but I don't know. A Vic-20. Works. No keyboard. No Vic cover. Works. Great. This is probably the one that I started taking apart and hurt and damaged. And that sucks. It does. Oh, I know what this is. Probably should be cleaned again. Look, I used to go to a camp long ago called Cedar Glen. There it is. Met a lot of great people there. Don't know what they're up to now. Hiya. So as I'm initially starting my dig in here, I'm not seeing my camera bag, but I see bunches of other things here. I do. So I'm trying, as much as I need to clear off the table, I'm not getting there very well. I think what I will do at this moment, see, I've got a bunch of boxes behind me. You can probably see them. They really don't need to be there, but there's lots of stuff in the way. Lots of stuff. So if you don't mind, we'll go for a little walk. You can come with me. At least you can hear what I'm doing. Oh, all right. I'm headed out into the hallway, where there's a bunch of stuff. Shocking as that might be. Including, oh yeah, a big bag of lights. I I need to get those. I need to get those to Phelps to tinker on. Alright, now the sound you hear is the sound of some Commodore 64s that are on a bin. And the bin is, of course, quite full. Quite full. So I'm moving some more onto the top. I've had this here before. Oh, I was hoping. What the heck was that? Oh, it's the data card. That I would not run into any avalanches. Well, I did get some other bins at a rummage sale to help deal with this, but I haven't moved them up here yet. But I will. Oh yeah, I will. So the whole thing of doing this is to open up some space. Oh, there's an empty box of sorts. That could come in handy. What's this? Oh. Alright. Down, down, down goes the microphone. Oh dear. Hopefully it is not broken. Alright. So these empty boxes don't need to be right where they are. So now, there's stuff on the microphone. Anyway, I'm just glancing in this little closet here to see if there's anything I would desperately need. Oh. Well, there's something I've been hunting for. Some garbage bags. See up here where I live, they don't allow you to... what's happening? I heard something felt like it was moving. They don't allow you to use black garbage bags anymore. They don't. I did find something here. See, one of the reasons I'm looking for the camera bag is I'm doing a shoot thing the first time in a long time. So, I just found in this closet some black sheets, which are good things to be used as backdrops. So I'm going to toss them into the bedroom. And this too. So here's the other frustrating thing. Alexa, all lights on.
Okay.
It is possible that maybe my camera bag is in this room as well. See, I've got stuff. Oh, wait a sec. No, that's a CPAP bag. I've got stuff all over the place. Anyway, I don't think it's in here, but anyway, I will keep moving. Alexa, all lights off. Okay, so I'll head back in here. I'm also going to peek on this pile. No, I don't see it there. Oh, this is frustrating. Very, very frustrating. I hate not being able to find things. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. All right. I need to move things, but not cause an avalanche. Oh, yeah. Now here is a box. Did I ever mark this? Not really. Vic-20 works with issues. Keyboard is bad, keyboard dirty, and make erase works for joystick, not at all working. That's not defective. Oh. See, look at this stuff, it's all jammed into things. What's this? 60 works. Oh. Alright, well, you know what? This is not all bad. Not all bad. Because what I really need to do to get access to things is move this box. Oh my god, that's heavy. And make sure it doesn't fall. And then move some other stuff here. So that maybe I can get to the back of here. Discs to test. More testing needed. Oh my. Alright. Discs to test. Whoa, no. I do hope. Oh, 2 times. I dropped this microphone. I hope it's still working. I hope it is. Alright. Here's another box. More testing needed. And what's in here? Oh, books, things. What's this? Read this first. A lot of knowledge can be a dangerous thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Stop. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. You know what maybe I should do? Is I should stop this recording, make sure I've not broken this microphone. And then continue to move things. Bye for now.